Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save Google Maps location directions as a PDF file on your desktop web browser. This is incredibly useful when you want to keep a permanent copy of your directions for offline reference or share them via email without needing an internet connection. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This takes you to the main Google Maps interface where you can search for locations and plan routes. Before we can save anything as a PDF, we need to create a route that we actually want to save. Once you're on Google Maps, search for any location you'd like to navigate to. This could be a restaurant, a friend's house, or any destination you have in mind. After you've found your location, click on the Directions button. This button usually appears as a blue icon with an arrow, and clicking it will allow you to start planning your route. Next, you'll need to input your starting point. Google Maps might automatically detect your current location, but you can also type in any address or place you want to start from. This flexibility lets you plan routes ahead of time, even if you're not currently at the starting location. Now you should see your complete route displayed on the map, showing the path from your starting point to your destination. At this stage, click on Details. This expands the route information and gives you a more comprehensive view of the turn-by-turn directions, including estimated travel time and distance. With the route details now visible, look for the print icon and click on it. This icon is typically located near the top of the directions panel and looks like a small printer. Clicking it prepares your route for printing or saving. A new window or dialog will appear with printing options. Here you'll want to click on Print, including Maps. This ensures that your PDF will contain not just the text directions, but also the visual map showing your route, which can be extremely helpful for navigation. After selecting that option, click Print. This opens your browser's standard print dialog, where you have control over how the document will be saved or printed. In the print dialog, locate the Destination section. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select Save as PDF. This changes the output from sending to a printer to creating a PDF file instead. Finally, click Save. Your browser will prompt you to choose where on your computer you'd like to store this PDF file. Pick a location you'll remember, give it a descriptive name if needed, and confirm the save. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Google Maps directions as a PDF file that you can access anytime without an internet connection. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.